Here's one. Yeah, here, take this, reel it in, just reel this in. What is going on, guys? Welcome back.
What's going on?
To another episode. We're out here in port once again. Gonna be floating some skein. It's about, what is it, like 6 in the morning right now, I think. We're gonna set some bobbers down. Aiden's gonna cast a little bit. Hopefully he can get on a crank on a bobber. We're gonna find out. We're gonna be fishing our corner spot here, per the usual.
Weather's looking real nice. Nice cold morning. Just felt the water. It's really cold out, or the water's really cold. And they're jumping a lot, so I'm thinking we're gonna smack a few here this morning on skein, so hopefully we get a few.
Stick with us, stay tuned, and enjoy. How long have you guys been here?
Since daylight.
Any luck?
Just a couple hits.
It's a good sign.
There's one.
Already?
Yep. Oh, came off.
Already, dude.
Dang it, dude.
It's gonna be a good day.
That's a good ass sign, boys. That took like 2 seconds, dude. There's it.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Big hen.
Yeah.
Stay out of there, come on. Hen for sure. Come on. No. Head towards the pole. Oh, pop.
Yeah.
At least we're looking into them.
Yeah, right?
Here's one. Yeah. Here, take this, reel it in, just reel this in.
We're good. Ooh, big hen. It's fresh too. Don't go under. Try to turn it over here. Oh, this fish is fresh. Don't do that. Watch your bobber. Coming down. Here she comes. She's coming. Don't do that.
No, she's pretty much done.
Oh, big girl. Here she comes. Got her. Let's go. Don't snap that net. Female. Let's go, bud.
Sick ass fish.
That's silver, dude. Thanks for that hook set. Alright guys, beautiful female hen here. Take a look at that fish. Still a pretty chrome fish for this time of year. What a battle. Thanks to Tony for that hook set. I was re-rigging my rod, and hey, I'm happy we got a fish here. We've been grinding all morning. I think we missed about 7 fish prior to this big hen. We're gonna get back out there and get some pics of this big girl.
I'm not. Oh, let's go. Alright guys, hooked up again. This is like 3 minutes after Aiden's fish. Oh my gosh, she's just head shaking like crazy right now. My heart's racing, boys. Oh, let's go. Coming down.
Back to back, baby.
Oh Oh shit! No, no.
Rod down, rod down.
No, 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 no.
You're good, you got her.
Ah, chill, 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 chill.
Okay, let me know when to grab the net.
Yeah. Don't go around that pole, motherfucker. Try. Yes. That's how you fight a fish, boys. Okay, it's right here, right here, right here, right here. I don't think so. It's fighting just like a female the whole time until it started running. Son of
What a fight, eh?
Yeah, dude, this thing's dogging me. Okay, here it comes.
It's not real.
It's got a fat scar on its face. Okay, here he comes right now. Thank you. Oh, I swear to God. yeah, he did.
Yeah.
Hey, that's right. I'll take it. Yeah, let's get him over here. Motherfucker. Okay. Alright, guys. My first fish of the day. Decent sized buck. And he's just not having a day here. Super lively. Got a little chrome on him. Chrome on the cheeks.
Guys, look at this. Put your fish next to mine. Look at back to back.
Back to back.
About 5 minutes apart.
That's just because it's a female. But we're gonna get a picture of this guy quick and get him back. All right, guys. My first fish of the day here. Hopefully he'll release. He probably will. He was really lively when I landed him. So.
Water's pretty cold.
Water's pretty cold. There's a good chance he'll go. He'll need a couple minutes though. There he goes. Sick.
Sweet, brother.
Healthy release, let's go. Literally 2 in 5 minutes. Hey buddy, say what up to the camera.
West winds. Oh, that's a fish.
Got him? Yep. Let's go.
Dude, that thing sank.
Yeah, that thing's gone.
Oh, this might be a male. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Don't go in there. Don't go in there.
That's acting like a male, but
Oh, maybe not.
that's okay.
Oh yeah, that's acting like a male.
Don't go out. What's up with you and the 7-foot rod, buddy?
No. Coming down.
I don't want to let this one get in there. I'm gonna grab the net right away.
He's going under that boat. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Holy crap, this thing's big, dude.
That 7-foot rod just sucked.
My arm's so sore.
You get no leverage, it's like an ice rod.
I feel like I'm fighting him on a Barbie rod here. This rod's gonna snap. Might be wrapped around something. I can't get out. Oh shit.
Oh, he's...
I don't know if he's wrapped around something.
He's wrapped?
He's gotta be.
Under the dock.
What is he? Oh, he's still on. He's still on. He's just under the dock. He's got to be hooked on something. Oh, what See my bobber?
Yeah.
There's a rope.
Oh, he's still on. He's still on.
Yeah, get it off that rope. If you can. What the hell?
I don't know how it's stuck on there, dude.
Can you break it? That's like a metal wire.
Oh, it's a metal wire.
You have a clippers on your pliers by
Hold on,
chance?
hey, he's coming right now. Here he is. He's right here.
Hold on.
He's right here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a big one. Dude, it's a big
Oh,
one.
he stabbed me.
Oh, no way.
Grab the bobber.
That was like a 30-pound mama, dude.
Dude, f that wire, dude.
Alrighty guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Like I said, we lost a lot of fish today. We were hooking up left and right, couldn't land any more than 2. Aiden lost that giant female there at the end, but we landed 2, so it was a pretty successful day. Salmon fishing, you never know what's going to happen. But make sure you guys go hit that subscribe button if you're new. Hit that like button down below. Leave me a comment in the comment section. I'll get back to each and every one of you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.